Hi, here are all methods of unlocking your Samsung Galaxy A34. And as a first step, we need to go in the settings and here select this tab, lock screen and always on display. After that, go in the screen lock type, enter your current PIN code if you already have one, and now we can see all types of unlocking the phone. The first one is PIN code. That is the password, so you can use letters in it. That is the pattern. You can draw any pattern to unlock your phone and save it immediately. This is swipe, but it will remove any PIN codes, passwords, and so on, so you'll have no protection for your phone. You just need to swipe to unlock it. And that is none. So even no swipe, just simply press the power button and it would be unlocked. Now, the next is biometric. So we have face here and fingerprints. I already registered Fingerprint and that is how unlocking the phone with it looks. So just put your finger here and now you're unlocking the phone. Let's just go back in its settings and here we can enable face recognition. Tap the continue and now you need to put your face in this frame and it is registering the face. And now it's done. Here we can enable or disable some of the features. Let's tap the done button and try this out. So yeah, it's working. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.